Building something from nothing. Not easy. You find a hard problem that no one solved. Then you start building. It's how we started. 1 customer, 2 employees. 8 years on, 1,000 people in 6 countries, helping our customers solve their hardest problems. Today, I'm proud to say that we've completed our Series F round of fundraising with a $15 billion valuation. It's big, but it's not the destination. It's fuel. Fuel to keep going, to keep growing, to keep building. Fuel to bring intelligence to every moving machine on the planet. A future where intelligence isn't stuck in your phone or on your laptop, but where vehicles are intelligent, where they can see, hear, and speak, where they can anticipate and prevent accidents, where you don't care for them, but they take care of you. We call this vehicle intelligence. Come build it with us.